Hello YouTube, I got a 2014 Chevy Malibu here, and I got a problem. I got the power to everything, but as soon as I turn the keys to start position, it doesn't do anything. I get in there some messages here. It says fuel level low, but I know I do have a full tank of their gas here. It shows empty. So, and I hook up my Autel. It's body control module. I got 3 codes. It's U0100, U0101, and U0131. So it's lost communication with ECM, lost communication with TCM, and lost communication with power steering control module. So if anybody knows how to fix that problem, please let me know. Thank you.